Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you're basically stuck with Yahoo's search engine on your Google Chrome browser and you want to know how to get rid of it or change it. Today in this video I'll show you easily how to remove Yahoo's search engine from your Chrome browser. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. So first you open the Chrome browser and you see here I have Yahoo selected by default. Even if I search for anything like guitar or anything, the results are going to be on Yahoo's search engine. So if I don't like it or I want to change it, I will do the following. So I go back to the main page right here and then I tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then I scroll down and find settings right here. I tap on it and right here in the left side of your screen you'll find search engine. You just tap on it. Yahoo should be selected by default right here, Yahoo search or Yahoo research. Anyways, from here just tap on change, that should be next to it, and here we go guys. You can choose any search engine you want except for Yahoo because that's the one you want to remove. So you can choose Google simply, then tap on set as default, just like that. That should fix your problem. Now if for some reason this didn't work for you and it's still showing Google or Yahoo, I mean, even after refreshing your browser, you can go to the same place right here and then go to on startup, tap on it and then choose open a specific page or set of pages, and then tap on add a new page, and then here just go with www.google.com and then tap on add. And just like that, that should fix your problem, because once you add it here, you should go back here and be able to find Google within these options, or it will automatically be set to Google. So as you can see, it is on Google right now. That means we are good to go, and that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.